I'm going to show you how to go from this to curls with shine, definition, and extra volume. Hi, I'm going to show you my wash day routine with Rizos Curls. I just washed my hair using the Rizos Curls Hydrating Shampoo and Deep Conditioner. Next, I use the Refreshing Detangle Spray and the Flexi Brush to detangle my hair. I spray on the parts that need more moisture and work my way up from my ends to my roots. Next, I use the Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream, and I like to use a generous amount of this cream. My hair loves it. I rake it in my hair and make sure I scrunch up for extra definition. It leaves my hair really moisturized and defined. The last styling product I use is the Rizos Curls Light Hold Gel to make sure my curls last all day long. I also like to apply this product by scrunching it up in my hair. For parts that I need extra definition, I go ahead and finger coil. Now it's time to diffuse. Once my hair is all dry, I use the Rizos Curls hair pick to pick out my curls for extra volume. And voila, these are my Rizos results. Now me and my curls are ready for hot girl summer. See you there!